What up, my beautiful people? Welcome back to my channel. It's Lazy Atkins here as always. Thank you all for staying with me on my beautiful journey, and to my newer viewers who have just clicked on the video, yes, you who haven't subscribed, you who got drawn by my thumbnail, yes, you just go right now, hit that red button, hit it, yeah. Alright, so you're subscribed now. Yes, you. Thank you for selecting this video, and I do hope you enjoy it all the way till the end. Enjoy my family, because I would love to have you on board. Five best free mobile app to use for your YouTube thumbnail on iOS device. Ooh, yeah! Our Apple them gang. Ooh. First one, photo editor. The second one is Adobe Spark. The third one is Photo. The fourth is Pix. And the fifth, but not the least, in no particular order, by the way, guys, that was not listed in any particular order. It was not best to last, last to best, best to shop. No, it was just last but not the least is Copics. So Copics, Corporation Picture. Copics, not that that's what it means. I'm just saying that just helps me say it the right way. But yeah, I do hope you'll be trying some of these free mobile apps on your phone to create that beautiful thumbnail that you've always wanted. If you've thoroughly enjoyed this video, do not forget to give it a massive thumbs up. Comment down below iOS so I know you've watched this video all the way till this point. Also, do not forget to share the video, and do not forget, as in, like, if you don't, I would not know if I'm, talking to somebody, if you get me. Do you feel me? Am I making sense? So this one is very important. Listen, just listen closely. This is a very important message. Click that subscribe button, and then there's a selection. You click on all. That's you hitting the notification bell, so you can always get a notification every time I, Lazy Atkins, uploads new content like this and many other stuff. For now, remain blessed, and I'll see you in my next video.